Alessandro, its founder. Please, you are welcome.
Okay, let me share the screen.
Sure.
Are you seeing my screen?
Yeah, I can see it.
Okay, good, let's go. We are the #1 talent management platform with people analytics and behavioral management in Brazil. We know that bad hiring decisions are very expensive. Turnover costs 300 billion reais per year in Brazil. And we know that people are hired for their hard skills and fired for their behavior. So we mitigate that losses using people analytics, artificial intelligence, and behavioral management. We build our software using a behavioral management, and above that, we build attraction, development, and retention talent. And we have the whole journey of the employee in the company. So we can build people analytics using artificial intelligence software. We have an accuracy of 97% of our technical validation, and we have more than 2,600 customers, mainly small and medium companies in Brazil. We have competitors, but they play only in a few pieces of the software, of the process of the HR. We are one-stop shop, so we have a lot of data to create intelligence and provide intelligence to our customers to reduce cost of turnover and increase productivity. We sell to companies in inbound sales mode and to individuals and companies using white label model with partners that works as a sales channel for us. We have a target market of $1.4 billion in ARR, mainly in Brazil. About traction, our LTV CAC is very healthy. Our logo churn for SMB is very low, and we are growing with the average ticket and the customer base. This is our CAGR and our growth in the last 5 years. And the team, 2 founders, myself and Monica, we have complementary soft skills, as you can see in this graph, and we manage 240 people here in Belo Horizonte, Brazil. That's all. Thank you.
Well done. Thank you, Alessandro. And please, if you have any questions, you're welcome.
Alexandra, Henry here. Quick question. I think one of the charts you have, maybe you can show it to the audience. I think in terms of your churn, I remember it's fluctuated a little bit, but it's relatively low. Maybe typically when I see that, there seems to be a product market fit in your local market. Can you share, maybe explain to the audience and to me in particular, what are you doing that you can have such a low churn that you actually retain your client? What's the secret sauce and what are you doing right that you can have a relatively low churn? Thanks.
Good question. At this pandemic time, we discovered our lock-in, that our customers build the whole HR process in our software. They can build the process and generate impact in the company. So when they think about canceling the subscription, they think on lose all the work they have done in the last months or year. So our software has a good lock-in.
Hey, Alessandro, Gabriel here. Can you hear me? I just,
yes.
Yeah, great presentation. I just wanted to ask you quickly, from your solution, what would be the unique feature? Because from the investor perspective, correct me if I'm wrong, maybe it could be easily replicated, your solution. I mean, in terms of the software or not. That was the part I didn't get.
We have a very good barrier to competitors because our soft skills mapping has an accuracy of 97%, and it works very well. Our software works with hard skills and soft skills. Those 2 informations are very important to manage people.
Alexandra, I have seen your picture of employees, a lot of people. Is people limitation for you in terms of scale, or how you're going to scale? And if you have to scale, you have to have how many people actually, or that's a barrier, or that's a problem, or you can scale without so many people?
Thank you for question. Today we have 2,600 customers, almost 40 million reais, close to $7 to $8 million in ARR. So it's a very healthy operation. We don't have more people than we should have, and people is not a problem to scale.
To scale is
okay
not a
with
problem.
that.
Okay.
No,
just
that's
concerned if you have a limited model. Okay, thank you.
No, that's not. Thank you.
Thank you. So we have more questions or not?
Yes, ma'am. One more. Really well done, sir. What's your true SOM for the next 2 or 3 years? What's the size of your obtainable market in your mind?
Today we cover less than 1% of our target market. Based on similar companies that we have in our base, we have more than 300,000 companies. So we have a lot of work to do. We are doubling each year, but we have to continue growing in this ratio.
Do you have any metrics in your CAC and LTV ratios and the likes, or is that, you should have them by
Sure.
now, right?
Sure. LTV CAC today is 6.9 times. That's a healthy number.
Okay, and that's over the last how many months, sir, or many couple of years? I don't read Spanish.
The company?
How long is this CAC period calculated over?
Oh, this is from the last 5 years.
5 years. Okay.
At the end of this 2010, we.
Thank you, sir.
Yeah, sir.
Thank you.
Good.
Yeah.
Thank you very much.
Thank you.
So,
have a good day.
Yeah. If we don't have any question, so we move ahead